Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any if you're having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKs here with a hybrid engine guys. If you have one of those and let's say you replace the crankshaft position sensor, the car still does not start. You may get codes for crankshaft position sensors still guys, like code P0335 or 336, and you wonder what causes that, or the car misfires, acts terrible. Stay with us, we will explain a simple fix and how people can destroy their engine, so make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So as I said guys, those three vehicles, they share the same platform, so practically the engines guys will be the same for all these three vehicles. The hybrid or hybrid energy, okay, both of them are practically identical. The only difference is the plug-in hybrid. This is right here, you can see. And if you pay attention now guys, if we come underneath, we remove the engine splash shield. If you want to see how to do that, we have a special video that explains how to do that. We'll go to the passenger side. This is your engine, right? This is where the crankshaft harmonic balancer crankshaft pulley is located. Now right there, and never pull your fingers if the car is running, right? Never. To make sure the car is turned off, even the battery disconnected here. Right here is the crankshaft position sensor. Okay, that's where it is guys. Two bolts. But people will just go ahead and replace that sensor and try to start the car. That's a huge mistake guys. Okay, I mean it's big mistake. Why? Because that sensor is adjustable. That sensor, when you loosen the two screws, that sensor can move up and down, and it can move quite a bit. That's for the timing guys. And if you do not set it correctly, your car may not start, it may backfire, or you may feel like the timing is off. So how do you guys fix that? Okay, if you look right here, you have a special TDC pin, TDC bolt. You remove that bolt, you get a special TDC pin, you screw it in, bring the engine to TDC point, and at that point guys, okay, there is a special crankshaft pull that aligns everything here to make sure that it matches with certain tooth. So you will guys, okay, need to install that crankshaft position sensor in a certain tooth. Otherwise, if it's off, the timing will be off. If you want to see the video guys, we have it on our, I believe, main YouTube channel. Okay, right there, auto repair guys. It will teach you how to actually calibrate crankshaft position sensor on Ford, how to use a crankshaft position sensor too. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. Now, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Now, if you removed your crankshaft pulley, that means your timing was off too, timing chain and stuff. And if you didn't set the timing correctly and installed that crankshaft pulley in the correct position without using the tool, if you didn't use the crankshaft tool, your timing will be off again and the car will not start. So common mistakes that can happen. Ford Mazda uses that design because they develop quite a few engines together. So if you want to see, okay, how to why Ford or Mazda does not start after crankshaft position replacement, we have the engine out of the vehicle taken apart, and it will demonstrate everything with a great detail. Thank you for watching and see you next time.